Hi guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a Logitech Harmony companion remote. This is to replace this Shield TV remote, which is crap. It's for the 2017 model. This is supposed to come with a what do you call it? Thingy. It comes with a thingy. A root, not a router. A hub, that was it, a hub. So I don't know whether the hub's in this because I don't think it will work with the Shield TV 2017 because the Shield 2017 model has not got a infrared adapt thing on the front. So there we go. Shake it. Remote. When the crowd say, give me the fucking remote. Oh, it's slowly coming out. Little bastard bit of sellotape on it. There we go. So it does come with the hub. So this is the hub, which is a black box, which is really interesting. Looks like it hasn't been used. I think this was a warehouse deal, so I think someone may have just returned it. Quite lightweight, printed manual. Companion setup guide. Freeze frame it if you're bored. So what do you got? Companion remote. It's that. Harmony hub. Power cable. Power adapter. IR mini blaster. I'm hoping this will work with Samsung Smart TV as well. So you can set it up via PC or Mac. Congratulations on the purchase of Harmony Companion. So, the hub receives commands from the remote or mobile app. The remote itself does not send commands directly to your device. So when you press the button on the remote, it goes to the hub and then it pushes it to your devices. So it sends it in the form of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and infrared signals to your device of choice. Let's get started. Get desktop software from Logitech's website. You can set it up on your computer. Mobile app setup, you connect the hub to Wi-Fi. So I think what you do is you plug this into your Mac, set it up to work with Wi-Fi, and then plug it in somewhere in your home, somewhere I guess. So loads of, is this all in English? Yeah, it's in funny languages. So the hub connects to Wi-Fi, and now we get German, so there we go. So I'm gonna potter around with this. Logitech, safety, health and safety, no one cares. So this has probably been used. I might give it a wipe with a wet wipe because I don't want to get a disease from Amazon. So here we have the remote. Oh, that is nice. Proper nice remote. The back is delicious. It's if you're sweating, if you've just had a 12-hour wanking session, you're sweaty, got sweaty, spunk-filled hands. This ain't moving. Yeah, that ain't moving. It's anti-gravity. Really nice remote. Buttons feel good as well. They don't feel like my Samsung Smart TV remote. I use it as a PVR, so the play and pause buttons are they get soft after a year. So this might do the same thing, but I suspect this remote, you know, you might be able to get it a bit cheaper than with the hub. But yeah, no, this is it's got a nice feeling to it. The buttons are clear. It's not too cluttered. It's not like a Samsung Smart TV remote, which is quite cluttered. This is, you know, there's a gap between all the buttons. You know, feels quite nice. Doesn't feel as soft as a Sky Plus remote, so yeah, I think these buttons will last longer than that. There's no actual no mention of batteries in there. What else you get in there? You get this, I don't know what it is, funny looking cable. You get a power thing, which I assume is for This is the IR blaster, so yeah, this would go on here, I guess in number 1 and number 2. So you press a button on that, it will go to your hub, Wi-Fi automation. Micro B USB cable here. This is to connect the hub to your computer. So yeah, you've got a micro B slot in there. Yep, so that goes into there. Power brick here, which comes with the UK standard plug. You get the Euro plug, and that's it.